Hello, friends! Luna here again. I have another fun story for you guys today. Are you ready? Okay, let's get into it. It is about four friends. Spark, a small electric creature with a glowing yellow tail that sparks when excited. He can light up dark places and is always quick to take action. Fluff, gentle, round creature with a magical singing voice that calms worries and brings joy to everyone around her. Leafy, small plant creature who can make flowers bloom and vines grow, helping the team overcome obstacles along the way. Melody is a playful, curious creature with a musical tail that can mimic any sound, helping the team solve puzzles and communicate in tricky situations. One evening, while Max and his animal companions were resting by the river, they saw a bright star falling from the sky. It landed softly in a hidden meadow, but the star wasn't shining brightly. It had lost its glow. The star told Max and his companions that it had come from the starry sky, a magical realm above the clouds, but had lost its way. The star could not return home without its lost glow, which had been stolen by the mischievous cloud spirits. Max and his friends decided to help, so they set off on a journey to the cloud spirits' floating island. Along the way, Spark used its electricity to light up dark caves, guiding them through dense fog. Fluff's song kept their spirits high, her melodies soothing their worries. Spark lit the path with his electric glow, and Fluff's songs lifted their spirits. Do you think the star will ever get its glow back? Stay tuned to find out. They reached the Cloud Spirits Island, where Leafy created a flower bridge. The Cloud Spirits challenged them with puzzles, and Melody, with her keen ear and quick thinking, was able to mimic the answers to the riddles in perfect harmony. When they finally solved the last puzzle, the Cloud Spirits, impressed by their teamwork and determination, agreed to return the star's glow. The star's shine grew brighter, and it zoomed back into the sky, leaving sparkling stardust behind. Do you think the star will always remember Max and his friends? Max smiled, knowing the adventure had taught them all about friendship and teamwork.